Okay, in the interests of peace, calm, and general international brotherhood to our American friends, if you are watching a video made by an English person or by a non-confused Australian, such as me, this is a cotter pin. Okay, this is a split pin. Okay, I don't know how on earth you got it mixed up, but I know what happens. We see enough American TV over here for all our kids to be speaking American. Um, that's not a complaint, it's just a fact. So what happens is this goes through that hole in the kickstart lever, and it locks the flat side up against this slot in the Kickstarter shaft. This goes through a hole, you splay the ends and maybe nip off a little bit of them. It's a split pin. Okay, there's a big difference, I know, but I'm sure the people who watch this channel have got the nous to separate them.